Hi, welcome to Amaka TV. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your computer to your TV using the Chromecast. So right now I want to watch the news on my TV from my computer. So what you do using the Chrome. So when you're using the Chrome, Google Chrome, you will see this section has three dots, right? So when I click on this three dots, you're gonna see an option here called cast. So this cast, when I click on the cast, what happens is it's gonna show your device. So this is my device name. So now it's showing available. So one thing that you need to make sure before you even get to this point, you have to make sure your internet, your Wi-Fi should be the same as the TV. So if you have a different Wi-Fi for your computer and a different Wi-Fi for your TV, it's not gonna work. So both must be using the same Wi-Fi. So right now mine is connected to the same Wi-Fi. The TV and the computer are the same Wi-Fi. So that's how it can be possible. So once you make sure the Wi-Fi both are the same, you go to your cast and you're gonna click on your cast. So when you click on your cast, you're gonna click on the three dots, sorry. So when you click on the three dots, you're gonna see this pop up, and when you go down, you're gonna see cast. So when you click on cast, because the TV and the computer are using the same Wi-Fi, you're gonna see the list of devices, and you select your device. So this is my device name. So when you click on it, so when it shows available, so when you click on it, then it will start connecting. So now mine right now I see my computer has connected to my TV, and I'm seeing everything on my TV as well. So it's very easy. Once you see your device, just gonna click on it, and if you wanna stop, you're gonna click stop casting, and it will be taken away from your TV. So one thing I like about the casting is, even though you are connected to the screen, you can still go to different tab on your computer without showing on your TV. So for instance, if I want to only show this screen on my TV, and let's say I want to go to a different tab, let's say I'm going to Amazon to do some shopping, and I click on Amazon, or maybe let me click on something else. Like let's say I want to go to let's say Yahoo Mail. So I can still be accessing my other tab without interfering with what I'm watching on the TV screen. So this screen it will still be showing on your TV without interfering with your other online activities. So this how it is very easy. So to wrap it up, you just log into wherever you want to. First of all, you have to make sure you're using the Chrome browser, Google Chrome. And anytime you're using the Google Chrome, you're gonna be seeing three dots here. You're gonna click on the three dots. You see cast. You're gonna click on the cast. Then you're gonna see your device name. You see right now I'm already casting, so you see that's why it's showing like that. If I'm not already casting, as I showed you before, you're gonna see your device and you click on cast, and that's how it is. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any question or comments, please let me know. Thank you very much, and please subscribe.